Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel Essential Academy Chemistry with Vinay. Dear students, in this video we are going to have a quick revision of all the previous year's question paper based on the chapter called Biomolecules. Biomolecules. And we are going to solve the questions based on the previous year's question paper from 2021 to 2016 NEET question papers of previous years. So let us do this quickly one by one, and let us start with the first question, children. Here it is. If you observe here, the first question what we have here is, it's a very simple and easy question, children. The RBC deficiency is deficiency disease of which vitamin here? RBC is nothing but a deficiency that is known as pernicious anemia. Pernicious anemia is caused due to vitamin B12. It is caused due to vitamin B12. In vitamin B6, it is going to cause a disease which is known as convolutions, or it may be effects that is going to be based on the central nervous system. So if that is vitamin B12, it causes convolutions, children. Convolutions, you remember this one, convolutions. And yes, this is vitamin B2, I'm sorry. Vitamin B6 is going to be convolutions. Vitamin B2, it causes a common disease that is can be remembered as dermatitis. And vitamin B1, it causes a disease which is going to be known as beriberi. Whereas vitamin B12, it causes RBC deficiency which is known as pernicious anemia. Therefore, RBC deficiency is nothing but pernicious anemia which is caused by vitamin B12. Let us quickly move to the next question now. In the next question, it's a re-NEET of 2020. It is 2020. A deficiency of which vitamin causes osteomalacia? Osteomalacia, it is caused due to a deficiency of D. This is a very easy question. I know that children, you will solve this just in few seconds. What does the vitamin E causes? Vitamin E causes loss of fertility. And that too in males. And that is because of vitamin E. And what does the vitamin K causes? Vitamin K causes lengthens blood clotting. The blood clotting disease it is. Lengthens the blood clotting time. And vitamin A, it causes a disease called night blindness. Therefore, vitamin D, it causes a deficiency known as osteomalacia. Vitamin D also causes rickets. Remember children, rickets. Therefore, option B is the correct answer in this question which was asked in 2020. Here comes the next question that was asked in again 2020 re-NEET. It's a very simple question. I know that children, you all can answer this question. Here it is. I'll just keep this question for you. Sucrose on hydrolysis gives what? I am sure you can answer this within a second. So let me write the structure of sucrose and let me tell you what is the answer is. What is the sucrose is made up of? Sucrose is made up of alpha glucose. It is made up of alpha glucose. Here is the alpha glucose. And it is also made up of a beta fructose. It is made up of a beta fructose. So if you observe here, I am writing the structure of sucrose. So this is a alpha glucose. It's because you can observe here CH2OH, HH, OH, HH. Here OH, this is H and this is OH. So if you observe here CH2OH, CH2OH. So here the CH2OH is on the downside. Therefore, this is a beta fructose. This is a beta fructose. This is a beta fructose. And what about this one? This is a alpha glucose. Alpha glucose. So one alpha glucose, one beta fructose together will give you what? It gives you a sucrose. It gives you a sucrose. Therefore, if you observe in the option alpha D glucose, where is alpha D glucose? Here it is alpha D glucose and one beta D fructose. Whereas this is going to give you what? A sucrose. So sucrose is possible because of alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. Here it is fructose, it's not possible. Beta D glucose, no. Alpha D, no. Alpha glucose, beta fructose. You can observe here. You can observe in this structure, children. This is a alpha glucose and this is a beta fructose. Will give you what? Will give you sucrose. Well, let us go for the next question. Dear students, this is the question which is asked in the 2019 NEET examination. The non-essential amino acid among the following is leucine, alanine, lysine, valine. Can you guess what is the answer? In this, children, the correct non-essential amino acid. Let me just tell you what is non-essential amino acid. The amino acid which can be synthesized in our body are called non-essential amino acid. Here, alanine is the correct option where it is an example for a non-essential amino acid. Let me tell you some more examples like glycine, alanine, serine, proline, cysteine are the examples for non-essential amino acid. The rest of the examples what you are seeing here, they all are essential amino acids. And this is the only non-essential amino acid in the given option is alanine. Let us go for the next question. Let us move. Well, this is one more question that is in 2019 NEET of Odisha. Which structure of protein remains intact during denaturation of protein? What is denaturation of protein? We are going to heat the protein where it loses its physical and chemical properties. The change of physical and chemical property due to the action of heat or due to the action of an acid is known as denaturation of protein, children. Remember, it's an informative question where we should know that the primary structure of protein will never undergo denaturation of protein. Then rest all the different types of structures of protein do undergo denaturation of protein. Let us move to the next question. And this is a question of 2018 NEET. Which of the following can form a Zwitter ion? Is it a benzoic acid? Is it a acetanilide or an aniline? Here, glycine is an amino acid. It is an amino acid, the only amino acid because it has got a acid as well as a base. COOH group is also there as well as a base is there because an amino acid is the one which has got a COOH group and an NH2 group, and this will form a Zwitter ion structure which is absent in other options. Therefore, glycine is the one which can form a Zwitter ion. So how do you write the structure of a Zwitter ion? This is how a general structure of a Zwitter ion is written. Let us move to the next question now. You can observe in 2017 NEET exam, what is the question which has been asked? Which of the following is a statement? Which of the following statement is not correct? Remember, children, be careful about these kind of questions. They are asking you not correct. Insulin maintains the sugar. Yes, it do maintains the sugar level. Ovalbumin is a simple food. Reserves. Yes, it too reserves. It is a reserve food of egg white. Blood proteins, thrombin and fibrinogen. It involves blood clotting. Yes, this is also correct. But you see the last option, children, that is denaturation makes the protein more active. No, actually denaturation makes the protein inactive. Inactive. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Let us move quickly to the next question. This is a question which has been asked in the 2016 NEET examination. The central dogma of molecular genetics states that genetic information flows from. This is a question which will be very easier for the biology students, children, where it has been asked in 2016. Actually, DNA forms an RNA, RNA forms a protein. The formation of from DNA to RNA is known as transcription. The formation of protein from an RNA is known as translation. Therefore, option C is the correct dogma of molecular genetics. We have one more last question in 2016 now. Let us see in this question. In a protein molecule, various amino acids are linked together by what kind of linkage? So here it's a very important question. Two amino acids. You can just observe here, children. I'll just make a note for you. It will be helpful for you to understand the question. So I will take an amino acid now. I will take a amino acid. I will take an amino acid now. This is one amino acid. This is one more amino acid. Here are the two amino acids. In these two amino acids, the H2O is eliminated, elimination of water molecule, and a bond is formed between these two amino acids. And what bond is that? It is known as which bond? It is known as CONH bond. CONH bond between two amino acid, and this bond is known as a peptide bond. It is known as a peptide bond. Therefore, peptide bond is in option B. Therefore, option B is the correct answer, because of which the amino acids are linked together. Hope all the questions you were able to solve them within seconds. I am sure biology is a chapter which it will help you to score an easy question. You can score easily in this chapter. The only thing you have to practice more number of questions based on this chapter, and you can do these questions on this chapter. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel, children. And if you have liked this video, you please click on the like button. Thank you. See you in my next video, children. Bye. Take care.